All right, so Ford is at $8.86 with a market cap of 34.62 billion, and we are slightly down. Things aren't looking too great in the economy in the world right now. Things are shutting down. So overall, stocks are kind of taking a hit, and Ford might get hit a little bit harder. We might hit the $8 range, but if we get that stimulus passed, we might go up or stay in this range, which is still pretty amazing compared to where Ford was 6 months ago. But in today's news, Ford is set to soar 34% higher, analysts say, and it pretty much says Ford can't compete with the performance of market darlings like electric vehicle maker NIO. If you've checked out my videos, I do videos on them also, which has soared 1,000% this year. But the old line automaker has held its own, rising 42% over the last 6 months and is up over 120% from the lower point it hit in March at the start of the pandemic. And Michael Ward reiterated his buy rating on Ford stock and in a research note to investors increased his price target to $12 from $11, a 34% increase where it currently trades. So that is awesome. This is what we want to see. This gives me faith that Ford is on the right track and we're going to keep going up. If you've checked out my other video, I said my price target originally was $10, but I upped it a little bit to in the $14 range. So 11, I will take that every single day. And this is awesome. This is what we want to see. This is great news. We want to see more analysts do this. And this just gives us, faith that the stock that we're buying is going to make us some money. And if you bought in this range or lower, $11, you just made a few bucks. That's depending on how much you invest. You could earn a couple hundred or a couple thousand. It all depends, but solid gains in my opinion. So stay on top of it, do some research, have some fun, make some money. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.